Okay, so once you have completed your table, you can start formatting. I normally just highlight the range and maybe add some borders. So all borders, adds those line around the cell. And you can also use thick borders at the perimeter. So thick outside borders. That's actually nice. And maybe a thick outside border for the title. And maybe a thick outside border for your totals. Okay. So in addition, you can add some coloring. So maybe add some color for the heading, and likewise maybe a color for this total. Okay. So there are also other options where you're able to use uh, templates for formatting. So that could be used as well. I normally like this because with this I can highlight my cost per room and do this conditional formatting. What I like about conditional formatting is that it allows me to add a data bar where you actually can already see which room costs the most. So that's actually nice in a report, right? So you can see that the kitchen costs the most. So it's easy to see that, okay? And you can also check, okay, area should not be in dollar. So that should be a comma style. And I can also do a conditional formatting here. Right? So I know which is the biggest room with the biggest area, right? So maybe stretch this a little more. So I know that the garage is the biggest, but that doesn't cost the most. It's the kitchen that costs the most at 24 square meter. So conditional formatting is really nice. So a simple format, again, you can do is using all borders and thick outside borders, and then adding some color for the title and for the bottom uh, overall values, and then maybe add some conditional formatting. Okay. Otherwise, you can use this format as table. That will be easy. Just select any one of this. So select the range, format as table. So you can select any of this, right? So to add a simple formatting for the tables. So format as table, and then add your conditional formatting. But then it becomes too dark, right? So maybe I can highlight this and say no fill. But then it follows the condition for the format as table. Okay. So for your term project, you do need to add some formatting. I will recommend the simple one, but you definitely can choose any of this formatting.